Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy potato salad. Boil potatoes just until tender and cool them in ice water to stop cooking. Chop herbs and celery finely to add crunch without extra calories. Use Greek yogurt and Dijon mustard to create a creamy, tangy dressing with less fat than mayo. Toss gently, season to taste, and chill so flavors meld before serving. Trade heavy mayonnaise for plain Greek yogurt and a touch of olive oil to keep creaminess but cut calories. Fold in Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and a splash of vinegar for bright flavor without extra sodium. Add diced celery, pickles, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill to boost texture and nutrients. Taste as you go and adjust acidity so the salad sings without overpowering the potatoes. Quick recommendation: if you're standing in the kitchen chopping herbs, you deserve durable socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and no fuss. If you like this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical tips and tasty swaps. I put the product link and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Cut potatoes into similar pieces so they cook uniformly and maintain a pleasant bite. Salt the cooking water lightly and season the salad in stages so each layer carries flavor. Fold ingredients gently to preserve potato shape and avoid a mushy texture. Chill the finished salad for at least an hour so the dressing soaks in and flavors blend, then garnish with herbs or paprika before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.